and welcome, dear viewers. If you're a fan of timeless craftsmanship and stylish interiors, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a beautiful blend of tradition and modernity with rustic woodcraft project ideas. Perfect for adding charm to your home or even starting a small business. From handcrafted furniture to unique decor accents, these pieces combine nostalgic warmth with clean, contemporary design. So, stay with us until the end and get inspired to create something truly meaningful. Crafting with rustic wood is more than just a DIY hobby. It's a journey into a design style that balances the organic charm of nature with sleek, modern elements. Rustic wood pieces bring warmth, character, and authenticity into your home. And when used in a modern setting, they create a welcoming contrast that's hard to resist. Whether you're decorating or selling, these projects offer beauty, purpose, and profit. Let's begin with a showstopper, the rustic coffee table. Crafted from reclaimed or distressed wood, these tables tell stories through every knot and grain. A live-edge tabletop can serve as a conversation piece, blending raw nature with elegant design. Perfectly functional, yet also a piece of art. It's where rustic meets refined. Place one in your living room, and you instantly elevate the space. Next up, shelving units that do more than just hold your things. Rustic wood shelves add character, texture, and charm, especially when made from reclaimed barnwood. Try floating shelves or asymmetrical designs to add a modern twist to the rustic style. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, or living room to display plants, books, or personal treasures. They're practical, versatile, and beautifully aligned with nature. Looking for a way to make your walls stand out? Rustic wall art might be the answer. From intricate carvings to geometric patterns, wooden panels can transform blank walls into statement pieces. Create a gallery wall using various wood tones and finishes for visual interest. This is your chance to reflect your personality and style through handcrafted beauty. Each piece adds depth and a story to your space. The dining table is where memories are made, and a rustic wood table makes it unforgettable. Whether you're serving a casual breakfast or a holiday feast, a handmade wooden table sets the tone. Choose farmhouse-inspired legs or a sleek modern, rustic finish for a look that suits your space. Pair it with matching benches or chairs to create a cohesive and inviting setting. Functional, durable, and always a conversation starter. Sometimes, it's the little things that make a big difference. Wooden trays, coasters, and candle holders crafted from rustic wood add warmth and personality to any room. Customize them with engravings or paint for that personal touch. These small crafts are not only beautiful, they're highly marketable too. Perfect for gifts, craft fairs, or online shops. Love greenery? Pair it with rustic charm. A handmade plant stand made of reclaimed wood is a beautiful way to elevate your houseplants. Vertical or wall-mounted planters save space while making your plants the star of the room. The combination of rustic wood and lush foliage creates a calming, natural vibe. It's eco-friendly, stylish, and soothing all at once. Rustic organizers turn everyday clutter into visual appeal. Create custom mail holders, key trays, or desktop organizers with charm and character. Their thoughtful design makes staying organized feel effortless and even fun. It's practical meets beautiful, a win-win for any home or office. Lighting transforms a space, and when it's made from rustic wood, the transformation is magical. Design your own floor lamps, pendant lights, or table lamps for a cozy, custom glow. The mix of wood and warm lighting brings depth, comfort, and serenity. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or anywhere you want to create an inviting atmosphere. Don't forget the kitchen. Rustic cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders bring style and function to your cooking space. They're durable, elegant, and perfect for both use and display. A wooden cutting board on the counter is both a tool and a piece of art. What's not to love? What makes rustic wood truly special is the story it tells. Reclaimed wood is sustainable, eco-friendly, and full of history. Each piece is unique, carrying its past into your future design. By crafting with rustic materials, you honor the planet and celebrate true craftsmanship. Rustic woodcraft isn't just about decor, it's about heart. Each project is a reflection of your creativity, effort, and soul. These aren't just objects, they're expressions of who you are. They turn a house into a home and a simple piece of wood into a timeless treasure. And there you have it, our hand-picked rustic woodcraft project ideas for styling your home or growing your handmade business. Which one sparked your imagination? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe, stay inspired, and keep creating.